So what's good guys, it's your boy iPurpleDev here, and today I'm gonna show you what the drag clicking sounds like. So I got my Logitech G502 here. I really want to research that or essential, but it's okay. Okay, so this is what it sounds like. So yeah, that's what drag clicking sounds like. Let me do it one more time. So yeah, that's what it sounds like for the Logitech G502. I don't know if it sounds like that for the Modulo, or Dragon, Razer, or SteelSeries, or any other mouse. I don't know. I don't know if it sounds like that for other mouses. So yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, post bell notifications on. I post a video quite frequently, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Bye.